Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you've got fine, very pleasant afternoon from here. So, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can set up a Google account, okay, and then you can subscribe to my channel or any channel. Okay, so first of all, you have a Google web browser. Okay, just click on it, or any web browser, it doesn't matter. Okay, you have to website google.com. okay, this is, and you can write a Gmail account, Gmail sign up. Okay, then you will see options. Then the best one is create your Google account. Okay, so this is the form. This is the very basic form. Okay, name, your first name, your last name, and then your Gmail, what email you want to add. Okay, so for example, Faizan, like this, Faizan 101. okay, any okay, any you can add it. Okay, create a password. Okay, this is the password. So sorry. Okay, create a password. You can add a password. Okay, for example, but let me tell you, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, these are the requirements. For example, at least 8 characters. Okay, you have to use at least 8 characters. So, and confirm your password, what you just put here, that's same here. Okay, your birthday, day, month, year, when you were born, then gender, if you are a male or a female. Okay, and then mobile phone, whatever mobile phone you would like to add. Okay, for example, if you live in, these are the options. Okay, these are the options, and just with a country code. Okay, then that's it. Your location, where you live. Okay, it's very easy. Then continue it. Okay, it's very easy. These are the procedure you can follow up. Okay, it's very easy. So after that, if you feel any difficulty, so you can ask me. Okay, it's very easy to set up a YouTube account. Okay, this is the next step. After continue, you will see that privacy and terms. By choosing I agree below, you agree to Google's terms of service. You also agree to our privacy policy, which describes how we process your information, including data that we process when you use Google. When you set up a Google account, we store information you give us, like your name, email address, and telephone number. When you use Google services to do things such as write a message in Gmail or comment on a YouTube video, we store the information that you create. When you search for a restaurant on Google Maps or watch a video on YouTube, for example, we process information about that activity, including information such as the video that you watched, device IDs, IP addresses, cookie data, and location. We also process the kind of information described above when you use apps or sites that use Google services, such as ads, analytics, and the YouTube video player. Depending on your account settings, Some of this data may be associated with your Google account, and we treat this data as personal information. You can control how we collect and use this data at myaccount.google.com. Okay, why we process it? Okay, we process this data for the purposes described in our policy, including to customize content such as more relevant search results, improve the qualifier services, deliver personal ads both on combining data. Okay, by if you have to agree, okay, you just click it, I agree. Okay guys, after sign up you just click the sign in button. Okay, just enter your email address, and then just click next. And after entering an email address, and just enter your password. Okay, and then click next. Then you will enter in a Gmail account. Okay, so I hope you've liked today's video. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you again. Bye bye, take care.